and hi to all. How we will create table, form and report or query inside a Access database. Today I will demonstrate you Access database is the product of the Microsoft. You click on the axis. After that we will go for the blank. After clicking blank, then we will go there and give the name. We write here click here on database. We click here on database and after that we click on create. Okay, now first one, it will be blank table. You will go for the design. You give the name. Student info, and here we will write roll number. There are different type of data type we will use, which is suitable for the field name, and then for the roll number it will be click. If you are going to use number only, we will click on number. If you are going to use the alpha and numeric data, you will use short text, right? We will click on number. After that we will write here name, short text, and father name, and here admission date, date and time, admission fee, and currency, and address. We will click here address, this one, alright, and many more field. If you want you can click on it, which is related with that field. In table we create different fields there. After that, after field we enter the field, we will enter the record. We will go for the view. Okay, this one. Now inside that one you can enter the record. This one menu using for creation. For the table you want to create new one, query, form wizard and report you can easily make. External, that one external data and database tool, help, provide help and field. Okay, we will go there and we will insert here some record. You write here something Adi and write here father name, and we will give the admission date. Okay, after that this one here and subordinate. Go there and we will write the other roll number. Now with 5/5/2020 and we will go there 90 and no share. We write only two record. We enter here. We will go there for view. Now this is a field view, and here you can easily describe the field, why we are using this one. The student roll number. These are the different type of field properties, and you can easily change from here, right? And this is called primary key. Avoid the duplication of data. If you click here, it is not showing here. Now you will see when you are going to enter here 101 again. Okay, now it will be accepted without primary key. If you have primary key here, now it can't accept that one. We will save first this one. Click on save, and now we will insert that one primary key. Now you will see, we will write here again 103 there. I write here right here. Now you can see that thing, the change you request to the table or not successfully, because they would create duplicate value in the index or primary key. If you assign the primary key, it will avoid the duplication of the data. Two times you can't enter that roll number. That's why we change this one in 4. Right here, Maldan, and this one Peshawar. Right here, okay. Now we go there. Now after that, you can easily here we can enter here. We will create, and we will go for the form visit. How we will create a form? Form is using for to represent the data, right? And also it will be showing just like a view of that one, a beautiful view of that. Okay, the first will become which field you want to do. You want to your form, which field, every field. If you want to click one by one, you can. You click all, you can find here different tables, right? Next, these are the form layout, how form will become, right? Tabular form, this one, click here for tabular form. Next, and here do you want for the form title, what is the form title? I will write information form here, and if you want to click on modify form or directly you will click on finish it. After finishing that one, we'll close this one. We'll go there for design view. We'll close this one. Again we'll close this one. We click here. Now you will see it will be come just like that. Okay, now here the date of admission cannot be viewed. You go for the design. We will set that one, right? We will reduce the size of that, and also we will increase the size. Now form will go there. Okay, after that go for the view. Now you can see that thing, right? If you want to enter here, this is the navigation of that thing. You'll go there for, okay, 1 to 4 record we are here, record number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. If you want to enter the next one, you will click here, and I will enter here the next 05, and I will write here name. Okay, we will go there, here write, okay, we will write here some date, and here we will write here this one. Okay, now this is navigation. Let's go for the last record. Automatically this one will go for the first record. We close this one. Now I want to design a report. How we will design a report? We click on create and report. Now which field you want on your report? All field we will want for that one. Okay, one table, yes, this one is there. Okay, after the next, and here if you want to make a group, you can by roll number, by name or further name. You can, no need of grouping. Next, now you can display that one in the ascending order. You will click here, 4 field you can easily scrap there. Okay, justify that one, tabular form, or that one columnar form is justified, which you want. This you will report. This one layout, how would you like to lay out your report? This one landscape, this is the portrait. We will finish it by tabular form. And next, and here you will write the name. Now what title do you want for your report? We will give that one and finish. You know this one. Okay, we click here. Now that is not visible, we will close this one and we will go for it. That is a view report, and this one is a design mode. You click here and drag it again, the name, and we will give the space to that one. Admission. Okay, now we will go there and we will bring it there. Now you will see this one using our property preview, right? Then using for property, that one report view, the report view. This one print preview. You can zoom in and zoom out. For layout view, this one for the design view. Okay, we will close this one. Okay, now how you will close this one? We design this one. Inshallah, I will make a new video in more detail, right? We will use different table, different form, and queries also. Okay, what is query? It will if you have a lot type of record, inside that one you want to display specific fields, you can go for a design query. Now roll number, name, only I want to display these three. We can, right, you can easily display that date. Now it is, now you can give here. Now this one greater than, for example, from 100. Now you will see when you click here, the fee is greater than 100. Now it will be displayed, right? This one, right, it will be displayed. We will discuss inshallah query on the next. Inshallah, I will make a video. Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. How will close this one? So from here you give the query name, or greater than 100, right? Now query will be designed. Okay, now we have this one table, we have query, we have form, and we have report. Okay, how we will come out from it? We will close this one and we'll go for close this one. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself. Okay.